what's going on?
If you should see me crying, would you assist in mending a heart that has been broken? Oh, it could be you and me, yeah. With an eye so free, never have to worry. Oh, live on and never old and great. We stay be this way, never have to worry. Oh, live on.
Love you, my girl.
I love you so much. See who love you there? Yeah, man, a whole heap of love, yeah?
Stop asking, I can't just call one for one.
How you mean? Rolling. I touch
I'm
and
so
touch
tired. Tired. What a confrontation this will be now. Now look at me, and I'm quite out of train. I want to go home, yeah, that's where I should be. I don't know what to do or what I should say, but I gotta make up my mind for a night turns today. I remember, yeah, made something special for you. How am I gonna enter? I can't afford to wait with lipstick stains. I've got to get up. Say, I'm a trouble. I'm tired.
I'm sleeping, knocking in my head.
I'm a trouble.
It's waiting, it's wrapped up in my head.
I'm so tired. I want it all. Putting up resistance. I'm gonna work. Putting up resistance, yeah. I'm gonna pull me down, blow me low. Wanna stay out tonight. Long to spend time with the family, staying home. Sometimes the pressure, every sign's and no way out. Breaking my back
To make it all the time harder.
that just goes from night to night, still up.
Bringing up resistance.
Oh, yeah,
Bringing up resistance.
I'm gonna
Break it up.
too damn proud of you. For all these years, man, you never stop. Never stop.
Thank you for sharing my journey. This is a major part of my journey. I love you. Love you, Kojo. Yeah. Unconquerable Kojo. Yeah. Hey, Kojo. Don't come off my stage. Don't come off, man. Because it gets sweeter. Run the rhythm, the deep, man. Buju Banton,
Would you stop watching out here? I don't be over. Happy birthday, my queen. Happy birthday, Marcia.
thank you, my darling son.
It's all I would make, huh?
You know, boy, you never feel to
For you.
surprise me.
Buju Banton moving like a new girl. If you're trying to listen, we must be here. We're moving. Oh, my father. Sing for ya. If you should see to balling. Would you stop that huge hearted? Hurry up, come see what's going on.
If you should see me crying, would you assist in mending
The heart
that has been broken?
oh, it's a secret. Jamaica, happy birthday to Marcia Griffiths. Live right on, and we're all and pray. Remember this day. Don't worry. No, live on. Ra-pa-pa-pa-pa-pa. Oh, da-da-da. How you doing? Oh, da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Let's say something for the people. Thank you very much, Mikey Fletcher. Thank you very much, Mr. Fraser. Thank you very much, guys. Beres Hammond, a long time I say something for Jamaica, you know. Thought I could live without you. Thought everything would be fine. Saw nothing special about you. Still you were breaking my mind. I used to take you for granted. You were the last name on my mind. Presently you're the most wanted. On the top of my love. And it was I saw you. Oh, my heart, felt the pain. Oh, I cannot
Falling in love all over again.
oh, my love.
How could I ever doubt that you were mine?
Oh, my love. I'm falling.
In love all over again.
You want something different tonight?
How could I ever doubt that you were mine?
Show them what about. Are you?
Oh, shut up, never do run. Never deliver, no, no, no. Come on,
Listen. Tonight's a very special
you know what I'm
night.
saying? You know, hey, Buju. Clown, you clown me
No,
out.
not the Indian. We can't live for the Indian. Tonight's a very special night. And our Indian this. Yes. And she has been here for many years. She taught me the most important lesson when I was 18 years old. She said, Mark, be careful what you say. Because it come back. I really do come back. I love her in my life. We see each other every day and we share the most amazing laughs.
True.
She's a wonderful person inside and out. And you know that as well. Sister Marcia Griffiths is here. Yes.
Thank you, my son. Wow.
We love you from the heart.
Family
Love
from
you,
life.
Jamaica, and I see you on Intimate.
Love you too, baby.
Intimate.
Intimate. Yeah. Get ready.